What's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those of you that do not know, True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. That is to learn, trade, and profit together. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live for free right here on this YouTube channel with myself, other teaching moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons that are guaranteed to help make you guys better traders. If you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. I want you to smash that like button right now. Take a moment, subscribe to the channel, share this stream on your own social media because we're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. So welcome everyone that's joining us from those different media channels. Why should you guys listen to anything that I say on my lives? Well, I provide you guys with a lot of education on all these live streams. And it's important for you to understand that I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by other professional traders. My very first job, 2007, right out of college, I was working for a fund in New York City. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, stock market crash. But it was actually in 2008, during all that chaos, that I went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before any of that was possible, before they even let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through an intensive educational training curriculum. I had access to some of the top trading tools, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what the True Trading Group platform is based on. Tonight's live stream, folks, going to go down as follows. I've got a good one. I've got a really good one. These last 2 days, I mean, it's been one hell of a start to the week. And today, things just keep getting bigger. So I've got a hell of a live streaming store for you guys tonight. You're going to learn a lot. I got a lot of stuff I want to go over with you, but we're going to start things off first with a 20-minute Q&A session. We're going to give some time for people to log on to join us on the chat. Then I'm going to be going over and we're going to be breaking down the overall markets. We're going to talk about AMC and we're going to be talking about AHPI. I'm going to cover with you tonight on this live stream a buy signal that you can look for, that you can use, that can help you guys to identify better entry points on trades. There's a very particular buy signal that I saw today on AHPI, and I'm going to teach it to you guys here tonight in this live stream. So get out your pens, get out your paper, get out your notebooks, whatever it is. Give me your attention because you guys are going to get ready to learn something today. All right, we're going to get ready to learn something today on this live stream. All right, then for those that are interested, I'm going to actually walk you through the entire TTG platform at the end of the live so you can see exactly what you get as a member of the TTG platform and as a member of the TTG family. All right, so now all I need you guys to do, and yes, we do have laptops tonight. Yes, we do have laptops tonight. Now I need you all to listen up, listen good. We're about to start that Q&A session in just a minute. You have myself literally sitting here with 17 years of experience telling you to ask me anything. So start asking your questions right now. Any and all questions regarding the markets or trading, guys, please go ahead, fire away. Understand there's no stupid questions. The only thing that's stupid is not asking a question. I also had a day one, and if I didn't ask questions, my day one would not have been followed by a day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, et cetera, et cetera. All right. So go ahead, guys, right now. Go ahead. Start typing your questions right in chat. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and begin that Q&A. Not a question, but 5 green days, 6 for 8, P&L ratio 12-1. Enjoying it now. Tomorrow's a new day. Yes, Reggie, my man. Yes. Hell yeah, Reggie. Nice turnaround, brother. Great job. Keep it up, Reggie. Keep it up. Travis, finally teaching certified, already up 20% on the simulator with AMC puts. Booyah! Way to go, Travis. I like it. Stay on that sim until you're ready, brother. But congrats on getting TTG certified. Great job. How do you know when news or an event will move a stock? WWE is returning to live crowds and has a big event this weekend. Worth it to invest or no? I mean, I think that's something to be excited about. I think that's something to be excited about. I would assume that they're probably going to sell that out. I would assume they're probably going to sell that out. Let's see here. Let's pull up a chart of it real quick. I don't really see much as far as a chart for WWE. I don't really see much as far as the chart goes here. Wow, what a wild ride this stock has had over the last 3 years. Wow. From going back to 2018, that's a crazy ride. A really crazy ride. You've got support down here around 50, 50 to 52. You have some support down there. Stock sitting right now at 55. Maybe you get a bounce from this level. I think you have some support down here in the low to mid 50s. So maybe get a bounce off this area, and the fact that they're returning to live events might give the stock a little bit of a boost. This is not a stock that I follow at all. This is maybe the third time in my life I'm ever pulling up this ticker. It's not a stock that I follow, but maybe that can give you a little bit of a bounce. Maybe this thing that makes a move back up into the 60s. Can you analyze Zella and give your thoughts? Sure. Zella blew its top today. All right, Zella blew its top today. What I mean by that is I think that the stock's had a huge run, but this candle that got put in today, this is what's referred to. This is considered a topping tail or also a shooting star. Okay. And you have this real heavy volume bar. So when you have a real heavy volume bar that gives you like this shooting star, kind of this topping tail pattern, that's usually seen as a bit of a bearish sign and a bit of like this is considered like a reversal candle. This is a reversal candle on Zella. So I would not be surprised if we see a little bit of a pullback here now after this huge move. Don't forget, guys, this stock literally just came from $2 2 weeks ago, went all the way to 550 today. You did have some resistance here at 550 that we kind of stalled out at here today. And now this big pullback here from 550 all the way down to 418. I would have liked to have seen the stock close like more up in this range if I was going to think that we were going to give us follow through and give us some continuation. Now you look at maybe support around 375, 385 and see if that level can hold. And maybe we get a bounce back tomorrow. But I think that this is a shooting star candle, and it's a bit of a warning sign for me to be getting long now that maybe the stock has a bit of a pullback and a little bit of a consolidation. Someone with 300 spare bucks right now, what would you do? Plants are us. I would say take 1% of that, which is $3, and sign up for our 1 week trial. That's what I would tell you to do. That's what I would tell you to do. Take $3 and sign up for our 1 week trial. Our 1 week trial gives you 1 week access to our chat room where myself and the moderators are in chat, calling out trades, sharing our screen. You guys can send us DMs, ask us questions. We're calling out opportunities and our trades in real time as we see them. You also will be getting access to our news feed, our trade simulator. I'm sorry, our stock screener, our analyst report section. You'll have access to all of that as a trial member. So you can go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time payment of just $3. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no auto renew. It's a one-time payment of $3. Go to ttgthree.com. It's only $3, guys. How different is your trading approach from the crowd? it depends on who the crowd is that you're referring to. You know, the difference between my trading approach and maybe some other people that you see on YouTube is that my trading approach and my style is something that I was taught by other professional traders. And over the years, I've tweaked it obviously to where it fits my own trading style, you know? So there's a lot of people that focus on like gimmicks that are out there. The difference between a gimmick and a real trading style and strategy is that a gimmick may only work for one particular setup or one particular type of trade, like it only works for small caps, or it only works for, you know, whatever. It only works for shorting, but they're not well-rounded. They're not diversified. They can't make money in a lot of different places. And the thing about a professional trading strategy and a professional trading style is that you can make money and you can apply that to small caps, mid caps, large caps, day trading, swing trading, options, ETFs, you name it. High volatility, low volatility, trend continuation, trend reversals. And you can apply this strategy to, you know, all of these different sectors and areas of the market. One of the things that I teach all my members is to be diversified, to be able to make money in different areas of the market, not to just only rely on small caps, for example. Okay. But to have the education and to have the skill to be able to make money in various areas of the market, like mid caps, large caps, options, etc. Oof. Oh, wow. Wow. What the hell happened to this stock? Jay Hayes. I don't know what the news is, brother, that caused this, but my goodness. Wow. My analysis on this is I wouldn't go near this with a 10-foot pole. Yep, that's pretty accurate. There's a pretty good emoji for this. I mean, listen, all jokes aside, I mean, I assume maybe you're currently holding this maybe, and that's why you're asking. So, I mean, listen, you've got support down here around 260, 265, which is going to be this area that you see on my chart. But that's the only positive thing that I can really say about this. Maybe we're trying to hold the 200-day moving average here. Again, everyone says that I have Zella. I don't have Zella on my screen. I have MMAT on my screen. I'm not sure what's wrong with the screen share, but I have MMAT on my screen. So let's try to turn off my screen share and I'll turn it back on again. So here's MMAT, guys. So like I said, this is a really ugly looking chart. There's not a lot here that I can say that's going to, you know, make me feel positive or bullish about this. The only thing I can really say here is that you've got this support level around 265. You got this support level around 265. We're trying to hold the 200-day moving average, but you know, this stock has gotten decimated. I don't know the last time I've seen an RSI at 10. The RSI is actually at 10. That is an extremely low RSI, which signals a very oversold market condition. So the stock is definitely oversold. Maybe you get a bounce off this level, but I would need to look into this a little bit further, Jay Hayes. I don't know why the stock has gone from $22 to $4 in about 3 weeks. Obviously there's something bad out there that I'm not familiar with because I don't follow this company, but man, this is brutal. You want to talk about bag holders? This is brutal. So I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole. So I would stay clear away from something that looks like that. No, yeah, that was the merger with Torchlight, but I'm saying like I don't know like why the stock has gone from 22 down to 4. I stopped. I haven't looked at this. I haven't looked at MMAT since it was at $14. So I don't know why the stock has gone from 22 all the way down to 4. So I'm not sure if there's been some other kind of catalyst. Why was it so disorienting to go from paper trading to real money? Though I traded paper for 6 months, I felt like I'd been thrown in an ocean and couldn't find up for a couple of days. Lynn, it's things change when you put real money on the line. It's easy to control your emotions. It's easy to control your emotions when you don't have real money on the line. That's why it's really important when you're paper trading to treat it like it's real. Take the same position size you would if it was real. Stop out as you would if it was real. Take profits as you would if it was real. You got to treat it like it's real. Otherwise, you're not going to do yourself any favors. You're actually going to hurt yourself. So once you start to put real money on the line, it's you start to realize that those emotions start to come into play. And that difference that you felt being on paper and trading with real money, that difference is your emotions. And that is the greatest hurdle that traders have to overcome. That feeling that you had, Lynn, that is what holds traders back. That feeling, controlling that feeling, that's a difference between being a great trader and failing. It's that feeling that you had, that's emotions. And once you can control your emotions so that your emotions, you feel no different, whether you're on paper, whether you're paper trading on a simulator, or whether you are trading with real money. Once you feel no different, that's when you can really start to progress and you can really start to excel as a trader. So we have a trade simulator included with our membership, guys. Lynn, I know that, I know you know that, but we have a simulator included with our membership. So use the simulator. Please prove to yourself that you guys can make money on the simulator before you start trading with your hard-earned cash. Your thoughts on Wish? Praying hands. Your thoughts on Wish? Praying hands. I do not. Let's just switch the screen, Adam, so we can pull the chart up. I've been talking about, make a wish. I've been talking about Wish since June. Everyone's been asking me about this short squeeze on Wish. I don't think it's going to happen. Everybody's so obsessed with Wish because it has a decent short percentage of the float. It's short for a reason. You've got major resistance here at 15.25. Major resistance there at 15.25. I have no interest in this stock whatsoever until it gets over 15.50. No interest in this stock whatsoever. I don't see anything on this chart that makes me bullish. I don't see anything on this chart that makes me want to buy this stock. There's nothing within the company itself fundamentally that makes me want to buy this stock. Everyone is talking about it because it was a focal point on some social media forums talking about this is a high short percentage. Adam buys a bunch of garbage from this website.
Well, not only that, but I feel like it'll get there. It'll just take 2.5 months and have to come from China.
Oh, yeah. There you have it. Yeah, guys, I don't see anything on Wish here to make me bullish. A lot of people were really rooting for a short squeeze. This thing is not going to short squeeze until it probably gets over $15.50, $16. So until it gets to that point, I have no interest in it whatsoever. I have not looked at this ticker in weeks. GTBIF. I mean, is there a question with that, or you just want me to pull it up and talk about it? I like Green Thumb. I mean, it's one of my largest, my two largest cannabis holdings in my long-term portfolio are GTBIF, which is Green Thumb, and Cureleaf, CURLF. Those are my two biggest holdings in my long-term portfolio. I like Green Thumb. I like the chart. I like the company. I own it long-term. Have no plans on selling it for at least the next 3 to 5 years. Excellent support in Green Thumb in the mid-20s. You're quick today, Adam. You are quick today, man. Thoughts on Amazon ahead of Bezos launch? Nothing whatsoever. They're completely unrelated. Completely unrelated. Thoughts on Nokia meme stock, or is it a solid investment at this stage? I wouldn't call it a meme stock. I wouldn't call Nokia a meme stock. I wouldn't call it a meme stock. You know, I mean, I know it's talked about. You know, people like these, you know, cheaper stocks that have short percentages on their float and everything, but I don't own Nokia. I don't own Nokia, but yeah, you know, I think Nokia has a decent future ahead of it. And they've got a decent future ahead of it. The stock's been dead money for years. Literally, the stock has done nothing since, you know, 2007. So this is, you know, if you've been holding this stock, I mean, for the last 10 years, the stock's literally done nothing. It's just gone down slightly. I mean, this is not something that I own, not something I want to own. I don't, you know, I have no interest or intention on adding this to any long-term portfolio or anything like that I have. So, you know, I'm not really sure what else to say about it. Honestly, it's just not a stock that I want in my long-term portfolio. Okay, guys, type away, ask questions. I'll take maybe one or two more. Gave some time for people to log on, and then we'll dive into kind of big day today. It's a big day today, so we're going to dive in. We got a lot to talk about. So, guys, go ahead, type your questions right in chat. Let's go. All right, no more questions. We're good. We're done. Okay. David. Adam's got something good coming. Adam's got something good coming. Where did babies come from? Boom. There it is. There it is. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna talk about AMC and everything else. You know, let's just get into it. Let me just get into it now because there's 100 people asking me.
The movie theater chain?
Yeah, it's like this stock. It's called AMC.
Uh-huh.
Have you heard of it?
I have Hulu. Is it like Hulu?
I think it predates Hulu, I think.
Ah. All right. Yeah, I mean, I didn't think that. All right, AMC, huh?
Well, I never looked at the stock until today. A bunch of people were asking me. I'd never even heard of the ticker before, so I had to do some research before the live stream.
Wow. All right. Yeah. And what is the ticker?
AMC.
All right. American Movie Corporation?
I think that might be something like that. Or
oh, it's a movie theater? Like Regal.
Apple's more crisp, maybe. I don't know.
All right.
All right, let me dive in. I got some work to do, damn it. Guys, we're having fun today. It's been a pretty good week. It's been a good week. You got to forgive Adam and I. We've been putting in a lot of long days and continuously improving the TG platform. So sometimes we start to lose our minds a little bit. Today kind of feels like one of those days, but it's been a fun week. We got 2 big days back to back. We had the home run trade yesterday, SGOC, 34% gain. I'm going to be recapping today for you guys a 40% gain on AHPI. We got 130% gain on AMC puts, and I'm still in them. I'm still in AMC puts. Final take profit will probably be coming off the table tomorrow. If I can get down to like 35, 34, somewhere in that region is going to be my final take profit on my AMC puts, but they're currently ticking off at 130% gain on the take profit on those AMC puts. So I'm going to break all this stuff down for you guys here today. Let's talk about AMC first. Let's get this one out of the way. There's a lot of people that are asking me about it. A lot of people are asking me about AMC. And there's a lot of people that are just blindly holding AMC. And this is something that I'm actually going to take a little bit of a pause and I'm going to talk to you guys about this because I kind of spoke to this a little bit a couple days ago on my live stream. And I told everybody that, I don't get married to one particular stock. I'm a trader, folks. My job is to identify opportunities in the market and to make money from them. I don't care what stock it's in. I don't care if it's up. I don't care if it's down. My job is to make money. I've got a responsibility to the 6,700 members of the TGG family to give them identifiable and opportunistic trades in the market where they can make money. I also have a responsibility to the 66,000 subscribers of the YouTube channel to identify profitable opportunities that they can make money on in the markets. That is my job. That's my responsibility. And I carry that weight like I carry the head on my shoulders. I take it very seriously. That's my job. That's what I do for a living. That's why I'm here. That's why you're on this YouTube channel listening to me. And I came out, that was last week. Was it Monday or was it Tuesday? Was it Monday or Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday? Tuesday, June 6th. I came out, July 6th. Tuesday, June 6th. I came out and I told everybody that I bought put options in AMC. I bought the $45 strike, July 16th expiration put at $3.05 a contract. Those contracts are now trading up at $7. They will, if we open up where AMC is now after hours, we've traded lower. They will be higher than that. You could be looking at an $8 or $9 final take profit, depending on what happens tomorrow in AMC, since we're all the way down here at 37 now after hours. And listen, I've been long AMC. I've been short AMC. I've traded it many times throughout this entire move that we've had since May. I'm an active trader. That's just what I do. I look at the chart. I dictate where I think the price is going to go based on the chart, and I position myself to take advantage of that price action. That's exactly what we did. What you saw take place today in AMC is not a good sign. This is a sign of weakness. There's been nothing but weakness for the last 2 weeks in AMC. There's nothing in AMC right now that makes me feel bullish on it. What I will kind of point out to you guys and I know there's probably going to be a lot of people that be like, oh, this guy's spreading FUD. I'm not spreading FUD. I'm just telling you what I see based on the chart. Take away the ticker symbol. I don't care that the letters are AMC. The letters could be XYZ for all I care. I'm just telling you what I see on the chart. That's what I do. So, love me for it, hate me for it. I don't care. I'm making 130% on put options on AMC. So what I'm talking about here on AMC is this was a previous support level. This was a previous support level, a major support level. 51.52 was major support for AMC. You had major resistance at 64.65. That was a channel for AMC. This is a very clear defined channel. That channel was broken last week. This channel was broken last week. And once this support level cracked, that's when you get this move lower. This is a major support level that cracked. We tried to get back above this level for 3 consecutive days. And for 3 consecutive days, we were unable to get back above that previous support. Now, technical analysis 101, support once broken becomes resistance. Resistance once broken becomes support. That's technical analysis 101. So when you have a major level of support that gets broken and the stock can't get back above it, typically that's a sign of weakness. Typically the stock will then continue lower. And that's exactly what you're seeing happen here in AMC. We cracked the support level. We tried to bounce back, failed, continued lower. Now we are coming up on the next area of support for AMC. Okay. Once we broke 51.52, your next level of support was right around 39.40. Okay. There it was. We broke beneath that, as you can see here right now. After hours, we're trading all the way down at 37. So we are below that support level, but we have another support level that we are coming up on. And it is right in between 33.50 and 36. You've got the gap entry point and the gap fill. Okay, you have the gap entry and the gap fill, and then you have this blue line, which is your 50-day moving average. A lot of support there in the mid-30s. A lot. All right, a lot of support in the mid-30s. That's why my final take profit target on these put options is the mid-30s. Now, if I can get AMC tomorrow down to $36, if I can get AMC tomorrow down to $36, we are going to be looking at a $9, minimum $9, maybe $9.50 on those put options, which would give you, I'll give you the exact, that's a 200% gain. That's a 195% gain to be exact from the 305 entry. That'll be a 195% gain if I can get AMC down to $36 tomorrow. If I can get it down to $35, now it just keeps increasing as we go. So hopefully I can get that move tomorrow. I can take the final profit off on this position. I've already sold the bulk of my position. I've got about 12% of my position left that I bought on July 6th. Okay. I got about 12% of my position left. Okay. So I think this down move continues into tomorrow, and then maybe we find support around 33, 34, and then you get a little bit of a bounce from there that takes you back to 40, and then maybe the stock just kind of consolidates and bounces around the 30s and 40s for a little while. But I will be taking final profits off on this trade. Hopefully tomorrow. The contracts do expire Friday, so I want to get these off here pretty soon. All right. So that's AMC. All right, that's AMC. I know there's a lot of people on here that are probably going to hate me for being in put options and hate me for saying that the stock is going down here. But guys, again, I will always shoot you straight. And whether you appreciate me being honest with you or whether you hate it, that's what you're going to get from me. You're going to get honesty. You're going to get transparency. I don't sugarcoat anything. I tell it how it is. I tell it how I really feel. Now, if you disagree with me, that's beautiful. That's what trading is about. You need two sides of the market in order for there to be a trade. In order for there to be a market, someone's got to think something's going up and someone's got to think something's going down. So you guys want to disagree with what I think, all the power to it. I'd love to have conversations about opposing point of views, but I'm always going to shoot you straight. And on July 6th, when I told people I bought put options, I got a couple people that were like legitimately mad at me because I bought put options. They're like, oh, I'm like, what? Why? I think the stock's going down. Therefore, I'm going to make money as it does. And I'm glad I did. I grabbed myself 100 contracts on July 6th at $3. I sold some best take at $7. Tomorrow, we could be looking at $9 on those contracts. It's a big win. Did you tell your subscribers that you were buying put options? Of course. Of course I did, Carl. Carl, of course, dude. Of course. So all of my trades, in True Trading Group, guys, I'm on the microphone talking to my members live throughout the day, just like I'm talking to you now. And before I enter trades, like before I bought the put options on AMC, I came on the microphone and I told everybody I was buying put options in AMC. My TC fam, you guys can all confirm and verify. Did I or did I not tell you before I even bought the put options that I was about to buy the put options? I always come on the microphone. I tell people that I'm about to enter a trade before I enter it. So you can take a look at the trade and decide if you want to take it with me. And it's not like a surprise. Mike just bought this stock or Mike just bought these options. I come on the mic. I say, guys, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at AMC puts, the $45 strike, July 16th expiration. This is going to be a swing trade. I'm going to look to ride this thing down. We're also fully transparent in True Trading Group. We keep a trading journal on our website that actually tracks every single buy and every single sell that all of our moderators make. So you can actually go and look through that trading journal to see every single trade that we make in the THD fam. So you can follow along and see all the different percentages, the wins, the losses, the break evens, how you'd be performing had you been following along with some of these trades. So, and then once my trade actually executes, there's a real-time notification that gets sent out in chat. There's also a real-time push notification that gets sent out on our mobile app for all of our members that cannot be in front of their computer screen all day long. So I absolutely, of course, Carl, every single trade I make, not just AMC, every single trade, I tell everybody what I'm doing. Okay? Cool. Cool. Let's move on to GameStop. I told you guys yesterday about GameStop. I told you that I was bearish on GameStop yesterday. I told you that I don't know if anybody watched my live stream last night, but what did I say last night? What I expected in AMC and what I expected in GameStop today. I'll tell you, if you guys missed my live stream last night, go back, watch it. With the part when I talk about AMC and GameStop, I specifically said, guys, I think AMC drops down into the high 30s today. That happened. I said, I think GameStop drops into the 170s today. That happened. So the level that you got to be looking at here, guys, on GameStop, and if you missed my live stream yesterday, go back, watch it when we're done here. You'll see my analysis on GameStop. You'll see my analysis on AMC. I tell you guys exactly what I think the stock's going to do today. That's what happened. But what you need to focus on GameStop is the support level that was here right around 200. Right around 200, you had a clear support level here on GameStop. This is also a bearish signal for GameStop. GameStop broke beneath that support level, just like similar to AMC. What did we talk about? Previous support when broken becomes what? Resistance, right? So once we broke that level, we broke that support right there. There it is. Bang. We broke beneath that support level, right? Then what happened for the next 3 days? The next 3 days, unable to get back above that $200 support area. Right? And I said what yesterday? I said, guys, we're forming a bit of a bear flag. If you caught my live stream yesterday, I said, we're forming a bit of a bear flag here. All right? You're forming a bit of a bear flag. And once that breaks, I think we continue lower. And I think you see GameStop break down into the 170s. That's exactly what we had happen today. There's the break, and we extended lower into the 170s. This is why it's so important for you guys to follow along on these live streams, man. You can learn so much on these live streams and get so many different trade ideas on these live streams.
Hey, your screen's off.
Who turned it off?
It's been off. It's been off the whole time.
Did you turn it off?
No, it was frozen.
Okay, so you turned it off.
It showed AMC.
All
right, been messaging.
So let's go back and start over with GameStop. Let me go back to the beginning. So here's your support level at 200. We'll start from the very beginning. Here's your support level at 200, okay, on GameStop. And again, guys, go back. Watch the live stream from yesterday. I broke all this down for you yesterday. We broke beneath 200 right there, July 7th. All right, we broke beneath 200. So just like with AMC, support when broken, you look for it to become resistance. And what you will notice is that for the next 3 days, after we broke beneath 200, for the next 3 days, we were unable to get back above 200. So that support became resistance. Unable to get back above it. We also formed that little bit of a bear flag. We formed a little bit of a bear flag here, and then we broke beneath it today, and then you get this rollover into the 170s. Now, if this low breaks, this 177.50 right there, if this level breaks, Guys, your next key support level on GameStop is not until you get down around 137. You're going to be looking at this area right down here. Okay, that's going to be your next key support level if this level breaks. Now, you might have some minor support right around here, around 164 or so, but your next major level of support is not going to be until you get down into the high 130s, the high 130s. So again, I still remain bearish on AMC. I remain bearish on GameStop. I'm sorry if that upsets some people, but again, I'm just giving you my honest opinion on what I see based on the charts in front of me. All right, that's it. I'm just doing what I see on the charts in front of me, folks, and that's it. All right, so I think, you know, this is your last line of support on GameStop, like 177.50, kind of your last line. All right, kind of your last line of support, and if that breaks, I think you have, you know, more downside on GameStop. And if AMC continues lower, I think that also pulls GameStop down with it. Like, you might get AMC, you know, I mean, it's possible AMC could even flush itself out tomorrow. You know, you could overshoot that level, get all the way down to like 30 and flush itself out. If it does, I think that might pull some of the other meme stocks down with it. But you know, this is a big support level for AMC. You know, these mid 30s is a big support level for AMC. Okay. So there you have it, folks. There's GameStop, there's AMC. I figure I would kind of go through and walk those through with everybody. I'll talk about the SPY here briefly, real quick. The SPY failed to make new highs, all-time highs today, meaning we made the new all-time high and then actually sold off into the close, and we're actually trading significantly lower after hours. This is a topping sign on the SPY. This is a sign of weakness, and I would actually expect us to get a little bit more follow through to the downside. If you guys caught my live stream Sunday night, I said on Sunday, when people asked me what I think about the market, what I think the market's going to do this week, I said that I think the market's going to be choppy this week. I said I do think we make new all-time highs. We've made new all-time highs Monday and Tuesday to stamp those all-time highs. And then now you're getting a bit of a pullback. I think this pullback could pull back a little further. 433, 432, I think very realistic, very possible. Maybe even 430, 428. But I expect choppiness. I expect, you know, up days, down days, up days, down days. I don't expect a clean flush out of like a 3 or 4 day sell off. I don't expect a clean breakout to like a 3 or 4 day push. I expect choppiness, a green day, a red day, a red day, a green day, and just for us to kind of chop around. And I still do feel that that's the case for the markets this week. And so far, that's exactly what we're getting, what I talked about on Sunday. So we'll see how far this pullback lasts. I think it's listen, 434, 434, 434.50. We're right there. Then you'll have a little bit of support around 432, a little bit more support around 431. And I think we can just kind of churn around in the low 430s on the SPY. You know, I think we can churn around the low 430s on the SPY. And that's what I'm going to be looking for there. Glenn Wilson, I got to wish a very important TTG family member. Glenn Wilson, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. A very happy birthday. Glenn Wilson, my man shows up every single night. Every single night. Everyone give a big, warm TTG welcome to my man, Glenn Wilson. All right, guys. All right, folks. So there we have that. All right. So I want to kind of run through that for a little bit. I've got some other stuff I want to talk to you guys. Stay put. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to share with you guys my 40% gain today on AHPI. One particular lesson that I want to cover with you regarding this. It is a buy signal that you can use to identify better entry points literally as early as starting tomorrow. Once I go over this lesson with you to help you guys understand what it is that I saw in AHPI, what was the buy signal that got me into that stock at $6.14. What was it? I'm going to break it down. I'm going to show you guys all right here on the live stream. But before I do, you guys asked some really great questions. So you guys asked, Yeah, you guys asked some really great questions. So what I would like to do here, let me see. I hope you guys got some value out of that. All right. But for those of you that are not TC members and I did not get to your question, don't worry about it. Because like I said, I do these live streams 6 nights a week. So make sure that you click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and never miss out on any one of these live streams. If you are a TC member and I didn't get to your question, just send me or any of our other 7 pro trader moderators a private message in chat tomorrow. We'll be more than happy to answer those questions for you. And if the ability to access me or any other pro trader moderators in chat at any time that you want during the day, all day sounds strange to any of you that's not a TC member, let me assure you that it's the norm in True Trading Group to have access to the moderators and I. That's because that we are a family. That's what makes you part of the TC family. But speaking of new people and non-TC members, I want to know what we're working with here. Guys, if you are part of if you're not a part of True Trading Group or this is your first time on this live stream, go ahead right now and type the number 1 in chat. Guys, type the number 1 in chat right now if this is your first live stream or you are not a member of True Trading Group. Jay Hayes, Brock M, Tanya Blue, Jennifer, Sam E, Larika, Steve Mitchell, Kevin Martinez, J Rod, Patrick, Solar Sailor, Carl Aldretti, Joe Rowan, Bryce Devyak, Neil Go, Mel Fernando, Michael Boggin, RG. Nice, J Rod. J Rod goes, I'll be joining as soon as my funds from AMC settle. Great job. Bill Whelan, Norman, Adam, Erman, Paul D'Souza, Michael Petit, Bunty from Bombay, what's up? Mermank, what's good? Nice, guys. Awesome. Welcome. All of you type the number 1 in chat, guys. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Before I get into the main topic of tonight, which is going to be that buy signal that I'm going to teach you that we saw on AHPI so you can recognize this buy signal the next time that it appears, possibly as early as tomorrow. I want to give you all a quick heads up. For those that don't know, we give away a lot of stuff to our members in True Trading Group. We also give away a lot of new stuff to new members. We're constantly giving out like Amazon Kindle Fires, Android tablets, when new members sign up. We don't always have them available. But when we do, they go really, really fast. And tonight, I think tonight's going to be our last batch of 20 laptops. They're available for the next 20 people that join True Trading Group. So all you guys need to do is use the coupon code TTG121, and you guys will be able to get a brand new free laptop and also a 41% discount on a membership. Our membership is normally $2,212 for the entire year, but from now until midnight Pacific is your last chance to save 41% and pay just $1,302. And the next 20 people to do so will get that discount, but also a brand new free laptop. Should we also cover the shipping costs? And we do ship globally. We have members from all over the globe. I want you to think of True Trading Group, guys, as the Netflix of trading communities. You pay one price, get access to every single thing that we have for the entire year. Your membership comes with our 17-course curriculum. It's a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the hedge fund. There's courses, beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it, all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you guys to learn. You got our Benzinga Pro news feed because you're live breaking up to the second news alerts in chat. You get Quote Media's full book level 2, which shows you all the market maker depth, not just the market makers that your broker is showing you. You get Trading Views Pro Plus charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. You get a trading simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, where you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses with real-time data. You also get our Trade Ideas scanner, which will show you the hottest stocks during the day. What are the stocks that you should be focusing your attention on? Access to our chat room, which is, it's not Discord or anything like that. Proprietary software, guys. The mods and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone, calling out trades. You can private message us, ask us questions. We're there the whole day. We're not gone after 2 hours, and we're currently sporting about an 83% win rate in chat between the moderators and myself. We do live workshops. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We do small private study groups. your chance to really get some individualized attention, guys. Ask questions, go over lessons that you need help with. We also give away a bunch to our members. Mark your calendars, folks. July 18th, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, right here on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving away $30,000 cash or a brand new Tesla Model 3. The winner chooses, cash or the car. All you've got to do is be a member of True Trading Group. Be a member of True Trading Group by Friday at midnight, and you will be able to have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla on Sunday right here on this YouTube channel. All right, so you guys want to use that coupon code right now, TTG121. It'll get you the 41% discount. It'll get you the free laptop if you're one of the next 20 people to use that code, and you'll get a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand on Sunday. You have to actually enter coupon code TTG121 and click apply code at checkout in order to get the discount. You'll know you're getting one of the laptops if you go to your checkout cart and you see the laptop in your checkout. If you do not see the laptop in your checkout, that means all of those laptops have sold out. Okay. Now, last thing to note before I do move on, we do also have a money back guarantee for those of you that are on the fence. I'm so confident in the membership and the platform and the education, the community that we've created with True Trading Group that if you are willing to put in a little bit of work, I'm willing to guarantee your membership cost. So here's the deal. If you go through all our courses, then pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend one private study group. If you do those three things, if you still don't make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'll give you a full refund. That's $1,302 right now when you use coupon code TTD121. If you do those three things and you still don't make back $1,302 at least once during your membership, I will give you a full refund. I'll give you all your money back. That's how much I stand behind my platform. I put my money where my mouth is, and that's how confident I am that with a little bit of work, this can and will work for you. Everything I'm saying to you is on our website, so you know you're getting everything it is that I'm saying to you guys here. All right. Now it's game time. Now it's game time. Guys, listen up. It's time to get serious for a second. Yesterday, 34% gain SGOC. Today, 40% gain AHPI. AMC put options, 130% gain. Get your butts in chat. There is so much opportunity right now in the markets. Get your ass in chat. I'm usually not this blunt, but that's the type of opportunity that's out there in the markets right now. If you guys have just been in chat over the last week, 2 weeks, and you're looking at, Chris Toner's 400% SPY option trade, AHPI 40%, SGOC 34%, AMC puts 130%. Toner is also in some, I believe, UVXY call options that are probably going to print huge tomorrow. I'm not sure if he took some I think he took some profits off already today, but that's going to print huge tomorrow too. If we get a gap down in the markets and UVXY starts to pop a little bit, guys, just get your butts in chat. There's some major gains going on right now on some of these trades. And I come on here every day and I show you guys these things. And, I tell you guys, I call out my swing trades in here. I tell you what I think the markets are going to do. I really put my neck out there. I don't mind telling you exactly what it is that I think a stock's going to do. And then from these trades, we talk about what can we learn from them. It's great. I can show you great. I made 40% on HPI today. Excellent. Great. Big deal. But how? What was it? Why? So you can understand why I bought when I did. What was it? What was the buy signal? Because that's what we're going to talk about here now today. It's not who cares what I did. It's what you did. So what I like to do is come on these live streams and make sure that I can provide you with lessons and value so that you understand why I do what I do, why I think the way that I think, so you can implement that exact same thing to be able to hopefully catch the next AHPI. So let's dive in, guys. Let's talk about AHPI. I want to take you over to the charts now. All right, here we are. Here's AHPI. Okay. Now, I was not looking at AHPI. Okay. I was not looking at AHPI early in the morning. It was not one of the top gainers. It wasn't even gapping up on the day. It had very low volume to start the day. You're talking about on a 3-minute candle, 15,000 shares, 13,000 shares on a 3-minute candle. Folks, that's nothing. Oh, the SPY is showing. I don't know what's wrong with this. Hold on, guys. Really frustrating. How about now? Okay. All right. So here we go. So here's AHPI. So, like I said before, these 3-minute candles, 13,000 shares, 15,000 shares. It's nothing. That's peanuts. That's absolutely nothing, right? No volume whatsoever. So I wasn't looking at this stock. I wasn't paying attention to this stock until this stock surges to a new high of the day. Big volume surge, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, 500,000 shares, and the stock halts. Now the stock has my attention, right? Now the stock has my attention. I was looking at other things this morning. I was looking at some of the other top gainers. You had a bunch of stocks that were gapping up early on the day. I was looking at those. I was looking at AMC with the gap down. I wasn't focusing on AHPI. But then AHPI pops up on the scanner. Thank you, Trade Idea Scanner. You guys have access to this scanner for free with your TeachD membership. We'll show you stocks that are making new highs, stocks making new lows, stocks that have a volume surge. AHPI lighting up the scanner gets my attention. Stocks halted. And now all of a sudden we come out of this halt and I'm looking for potential entry opportunities. Right? I'm looking for entry opportunities. So what do? I draw out my Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay. I draw out my Fibonacci retracement levels. And what I start to notice is that now that it's after the fact, the trade line and VWAP have moved higher. That the trade line is the 9 exponential moving average. That's this blue line on my screen. VWAP is this orange line on my screen. Now that it's after the fact, these lines have moved. But in real time, when this was taking place, both of those lines lined up right there with your 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. The other thing I want you to focus on is the volume. My goodness. Look at the volume that came into this stock coming out of that halt compared to the volume that I had traded earlier in the morning. Right? Night and day. Crazy. But now here's the buy signal that I want you guys to look for. Okay? What's the buy signal? I teach my TeachD members how different technical indicators work in conjunction with one another. I don't buy stocks because of one indicator. I buy stocks because multiple support indicators are lining up at the same price point. Oh, please don't say my name. Please don't say my name. Welcome to the TTG family. All right, folks, we got 19 laptops left. 19 laptops left. We have please don't say my name. Welcome to the TTG family. We got a shy one. 19 laptops left. All right, 19 laptops left. Guys, use that coupon code TeachD121. Brings the price of a membership from $2,212 all the way down to just $1,302. And the next 19 people to use coupon code TeachD121 will get themselves a brand new free laptop. All right. Now, with regards to AHPI, we're looking for multiple support indicators to all converge at the exact same price point. So with regards to AHPI, you got 38.2 Fib, VWAP, and trade line all converge right above 525, right around 530. All right, right above 530. But here's the price action that I want you to focus on. in order for you to identify a support level, you want to see aggressive buying pressure at that support level. How do you identify aggressive buying pressure? When a stock gets down to a support level, you do not want to see the stock sit at that support level for very long. You want to see the stock get down to the support and immediately shoot off of that support level, because that's a sign that the buying at that level is very aggressive. If the buying is very aggressive, as soon as the stock comes down to that level, everyone's going to jump over each other, on top of each other, to buy shares of the stock, which will in turn push the price of the stock higher very quickly. You don't want to see a lazy stock. A lazy stock pulls into a support level and sits on it. Let's just use an example. Let's say this line right here. See this line right here? Let's say that's the support level. If a stock comes down to test the support level, you don't want to see the stock sit on the support level. You don't want to see the stock do this. Right? This is called a lazy stock. All right. This would be a lazy stock. Okay. How the stock is sitting on the support level. Sitting. Jennifer, welcome to the TTG family. Jennifer, welcome to the TTG family. We now have 18 laptops left, folks. 18 laptops left. Use that coupon code TTG121. Laptops will not last. Everybody loves free stuff. All right. They will not last. Bring the price of $2,212 all the way down to $1,302 before the price goes up at midnight tonight. Now, that's a lazy stock. Okay. Now let me show you the difference. What I like to see when a stock comes down and tests a support level is for the stock to get off of that level very quickly. You want to see a stock come down and test a support level and immediately get back off of it. That's going to be a sign of aggressive buying pressure, because if the buying pressure is aggressive, that means there's so many buyers down here when the stock gets there that the price does not stay there very long. It gets off the level very quickly and a tail gets put in. A tail gets put in. All right. What's a tail? That is what you want to see. This is a sign that the stock came all the way down to this level and the buying was so aggressive that it immediately pushed the price of the stock all the way back up and this tail gets put in. That is exactly what you see happen right there. Do you see how this huge tail gets put in at the 38.2 Fibonacci level, trade line, and VWAP? Now, not to say you just go ahead and buy every single setup that has a tail. That's not what this means. But when you're looking at a support level, you want to know, how do I confirm a support level is in fact there? How can I trust a support level? How do I know the support level has held? How do I know this is confirmation? This is how. I was already looking for this area to be support. Why? Because 38.2 Fibonacci, VWAP, and trade line all converged on the exact same price point. So I'm already expecting there to be support there. So when I get this type of price action, that confirms the support level.
What are you talking about? Laptops? Free laptops? For real? Free laptops?
Yeah, I'm giving out free laptops.
WeedaPALOOZA is Saturday. Sell that. WeedaPALOOZA. All right? I don't know if you know this, but I kind of know things from the future. And WeedaPALOOZA, or this one, is going to cover the next 6 to 8 months in pot stocks. If you loved the last WeedaPALOOZA, which was in February, it was basically, hey, we're going to have a pullback and it's going to be violent and everybody's going to crap their pants in June, in July, in May, and all this other stuff. So yeah, maybe instead of selling laptops, sell some WeedaPALOOZA, baby. By the way, I just got off a flight, so
You look good, man. Right off the plane. You got a haircut?
Well, I'll tell you what I didn't get a haircut in. AMC, with that bet that I made a month ago saying it was going to be under 55 in a month. I don't know how I'm doing, but I know I got a full head of hair. So sorry, apes. You're going to have to go bananas somewhere else. But yeah, I just wanted to say WeedaPALOOZA this weekend. Be there or beg me on Twitter to tell you what I'm doing. All right. That's it. That's all I got.
Oh. There you have it, folks. WeedaPALOOZA. Look at that. The wolf just comes in, brings a tornado, and then just leaves. So, guys, WeedaPALOOZA is happening this weekend. Guys, for those that don't know who that was, the wolf is one of our moderators and partners at True Trading Group. He is the foremost, one of the most respected voices in the cannabis space, one of the best cannabis traders in the space. I don't know anyone that knows this industry better than he. Put it this way. A lot of you come on my live streams and you look to me for advice with a lot of things. I won't buy or sell a single cannabis stock without talking to Jason. So if anyone here is interested in the cannabis space, he's going to do an event this weekend that is going to cover the next 6 to 8 months of the cannabis space, what he thinks these stocks are going to do, what he's buying, what he's selling, what his predictions are, what companies does he like the best, what companies does he like the least. And if you are anyone that's interested in the cannabis sector, this is an absolute must-attend event for you. It is totally free for TTG members. Okay, you don't pay anything extra for the WeedaPALOOZA event. It's totally free for members. You must be a member of True Trading Group by Friday at midnight in order to attend WeedaPALOOZA. You've got to be a member by Friday at midnight in order to attend WeedaPALOOZA. Okay? It is totally free for members, but it's a members-only event. All right? It's a members-only event. You got to be a member by Friday at midnight. Nice. Fabian made over $100,000 with pot stocks thanks to Wolf. Ebenezer Scrooge. Welcome to the TTG. You knew that was coming. Welcome to the TTG family. Ebenezer, welcome to the TTG family. What does that mean? How many laptops we got left? 17? 17 laptops left? 17 laptops left, folks. Use coupon code TTG121. Get yourself a brand new free laptop. Attend WeedaPALOOZA. Wow, what a weekend. Oh, crap. I just realized. Guys, so Saturday's WeedaPALOOZA, and Sunday we're giving away 30 grand. Oh, this is going to be an awesome weekend. I just got excited. This is going to be a good weekend. You guys, set your reminders. Don't forget, WeedaPALOOZA happening this Saturday. It's for TTG members only. Sunday, we're giving away a Tesla right here on this YouTube channel, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, live. Set your reminders. Don't miss it. All you got to do is be a member of TTG, and you can literally be included in both of these events. You want to attend WeedaPALOOZA? Cool. Be a TTG member. It's yours. You want a chance to win 30 grand or a Tesla on Sunday? Cool. Be a TTG member. It's yours. That's it. That's all you got to do to be included in both events. All right. All right. We'll send out some more details on WeedaPALOOZA as the week goes on for our TTG members. It'll be on your member dashboard in the announcement section. We'll send out some emails as some reminders as well, and we'll talk about it in chat also. All right. We'll talk about it in chat also. Okay, guys? So let me just head back over to the charts real quick so we can finish going over the AHPI trade before the wolf ambushed me. So this is that price action that we were talking about. This is that big tail, right? That big tail at that support level, which was 38.2 fib, trade line, and VWAP. I'll draw it out for you again. There it is. I'll make this bigger so you can see it. It's a little bit more difficult for people to see with their eyes that are watching on smaller screens. There it is. There's that price action. That's what pulled me into the stock long. And guys, we went ahead and I got long right here at $6.14. $6.14. I'll give you the exact timestamp on the trade. 10:23 a.m. Long AHPE $6.14. And this thing just moonshot right to 652 and halted. We opened up out of the halt. We shot all the way up to 750. I peeled profits off the table. I'll call this out to you guys. Took a piece of profit off at $6.80 right there coming out of the halt. Next take profit was at $7.14 as we shot up there over 7. And then 1044. Let's keep this moving. We break through highs again. Screen's frozen. This is so frustrating. Let me unshare it and share it again. All right, here we go. Let's start over. So let me go back. All right, based on the price action that we were talking about, guys, about the support at 38.2 fib, VWAP, and trade line. Entry there at $6.14. We moonshot, halted, new highs. We open up out of the halt. We shoot higher. I take profits off the table, $6.80, $7.14. And then this thing gets real fun. We just start ripping face, guys. We just start ripping face right up there to new highs. I take another piece of profit off the table at $7.93. And then let's see where we at. Next timestamp at 10:53 a.m. Final take profit right there at $8.60. Final take profit for a 40% gain. Now, I did leave some on the table. The stock did go a little bit higher. Went all the way up to 10. Right? Went all the way up to 10. But I'm very happy with this trade, guys. Take profit 1, 2, 3, 4. Final take profit there. All right, $8.60. That's good for a 40% gain on that final take. This was a monster. This was a home run. But again, it all goes back. To the buy signal. It all goes back to identifying the price action. This price action right there, that price action right at the 38.2 Fibonacci level, the trade line, and your VWAP indicator. That is what confirms support for you. Okay, that is what confirms support for you. So Samuel Robinson, great question, brother, says this was more than 3 tiers. Why? When I'm in a stock that is really, really, really extending and has a lot of momentum, when I get to my final take profit, I'll break it up sometimes into 2 pieces and get a little bit more extra. So usually I take 25% off at profit target 1, then 50% at profit target 2, then 25% at profit target 3. But when I'm feeling a stock has a lot of momentum, that final take profit of 25%, I sometimes break up into 2 pieces. Okay. Good question though, Samuel. I can tell you pay very close attention on the live streams, or maybe you're a TGD member. All right. So there you have it, folks. That is AHPI. All right. And there you have it. So hopefully you guys learned something from this. That is the buy signal that I saw on AHPI. I always want to make sure that you guys understand, okay, why I enter these trades when I do. I want you to understand, what is it that makes me like one particular stock versus another. I hope this lesson was helpful. That's my goal with all of these live streams, is to make sure that you learn something and you become a better trader and take some lessons that you can implement in your trading as early as tomorrow. Now, what I'm about to do here is I'm going to show you guys that are interested the entire TGD platform. But before I do, I want to know who here is not a member of True Trading Group. So I want you to type the letters TTG in chat right now if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Go ahead and type the letters TTG in chat right now if you are not a member of True Trading Group. All right, we got Ben Levine, Chris Texas Ranger, Cave Dweller, Lone Sophos, Sam E., Laura, it's my pleasure. Paul D'Souza. Mike Ski from the 313. Welcome back. North Carolina. Steve Mitchell. Norman Favrier. Marmenk. Godinus. Brian Gerber. Donnie. Miles Beltron. Bradley Homerson. Welcome. All of you that are typing TGD right now in chat, welcome, welcome, welcome. But now, guys, listen up very carefully for those that did type TTG. The membership to True Trading Group, it's a one-year membership. It's usually $2,212. But from now until midnight Pacific, it's your last chance to save 41%, brings the price all the way down to just $1,302. And the next 17 people to use the coupon code TTG121 will get themselves a brand new free laptop and a chance to win $30,000 or a free Tesla this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, live right here on this YouTube channel. Set your reminders. You'll also have a chance to attend WeedaPALOOZA, an absolute must attend if you're interested at all whatsoever in the cannabis space. That's on Saturday. As a member of True Trading Group, understand you will never be upsold anything, guys. There's no upsells. There's no add-ons. You pay one price, get access to every single thing that we have. As a member, you're going to get access to the top premium trading tools and products because you bundle them together as part of your membership. Okay. Included with your membership is Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. I can't tell you guys how many times we have made money and saved money because of this feature. Me, the mods, our members, we all use this every single day. It's totally invaluable. Then you've got Quote Streams Full Book Level 2. This is going to show you all the market maker depth in level 2, not just a couple of brokers that, not just a couple of market makers that your broker has. You're going to show you all full book level 2. Then you're getting access to our trade idea scanner. This is going to show you what are the best stocks for you to be trading during the day. Okay. This is going to show you the best stocks to be trading during the day. What stocks are making new highs? What stocks are making new lows? What stocks have an unusual volume surge? It'll help you identify the best stocks that'll give you a chance to profit. Then you're getting access to our simulator, which allows you to trade stocks and options with fake money where you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. Folks, use the simulator. It's there to help you prove to yourself you can make money on the simulator first, and then move on to trade with real money. Okay. All of this stuff I'm telling you is free. It's included with your membership. You don't pay $1 extra for any of it. You're also getting access to TradingView's Pro charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders, and it is all yours free with your membership. Folks, you're getting at least 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders currently sporting about an 83% win rate. We are fully transparent. We keep all of our trades. We keep a trading journal on our website that literally tracks every single buy and every single sell. Jamie, welcome to the TTG family. That is now 16 laptops left. Everybody give a big warm welcome to Jamie. That is, all right, we have 16 laptops left, guys. Use coupon code TTG121. Bring that price all the way down to just $13.02. That's just over $100 a month, guys. That's all that comes out to. It's just over $100 a month. But like I said, we keep a trading journal on our website. We're fully transparent. We track every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make so you can follow along and see how you'd be doing if you've been following along with all of the trades. You also get a small private study group with a TTG mod. This is your chance to ask questions and go over lessons and topics, get that individualized attention and help and mentorship and guidance that you need. All right. This is a game changer by going to our small private study groups. Then you're going to get access to our courses. Guys, the courses is where it's at. Remember, the courses are a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the hedge fund. They're broken down. Zeta, welcome to the TTG family. Zeta, that means we've got 15 laptops left. Folks, welcome Zeta. Use coupon code TTG121. You guys will get a free laptop, knocks the price all the way down to $13.02. Zeta, welcome to the TTG family. So guys, those courses, they're broken down into beginner and foundation courses. You never trade a stock a day in your life. Don't sweat it. We've got beginner and foundation courses for you. We've got advanced courses. We've got courses on options, swing trading, trader psychology, even crypto, you name it. We've got it in text and video format, whichever is easy for you to learn. Folks, there are no special VIP pro courses. Every course we have is included with your membership. There's no special courses that cost more money. All right. They're all in text and video format. Then in addition to the courses, you've got a video library that has over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are like how to grow a small account, that WeedaPALOOZA, how to trade while working a full-time job. These are just some of the topics that we've covered in live workshops. They're all available in the video library. You have access to all of it as a member of TTG. And then, of course, our chat room. You guys can come into the chat room. The mods and I share our screen with you. We're live on the mic, talking to you throughout the day, calling out trades in real time. You guys can send us private messages, ask us questions, interact with other moderators. Interact with other members in TTG. We're there with you the whole day, before the market opens till after the market closes, answering questions and identifying opportunity. We're not gone after 2 hours and you're left to fend for yourself, folks. Now, please listen up. Between now and August 1st, our price is going to be walked up from $1,302 to over $2,000. It's important in life to know the value, to know your value, and we know ours. We know our membership is worth way more than $1,300. And to put that into perspective for you, let me explain the value you're getting of our membership at $1,302. Let's say you don't want to join TTG, but you want that Benzinga newsfeed. That Benzinga newsfeed, if you wanted to go pay for it on your own, Benzinga charges $1,400 a year. It's included free with your membership for just $1,302. QuoteStream charges $990 a year for that full book level 2. The simulator costs $300 a year, and TradingView's premium level charting costs $600 a year. That's over $3,200 that those 4 products and services would cost you if you bought them on your own. They are all included with your membership to True Trading Group, and you can get all of that plus a membership to TTG with all the courses, with the chat room, with the trade alerts, with the live workshops, with the one-on-ones, the private study groups, the WeedaPALOOZas, the TraderPALOOZas for just $1,302, and get a free laptop and have a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand on Sunday. The value you're getting is insane. It's our goal to disrupt this entire industry. But in order to do that, we have to provide insane value and results, frankly, for a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. Guys, this is a sales gimmick. Our price is going to be up over 2K before you know it. And if you lock in $1,302 today, you're locking that price in for life. So let's say next year when it comes time to renew your membership, and our membership is $2,500, you'll only pay $1,302 to renew. So you'll pay the price to renew, the price you pay today. How do I know you're going to want to renew? Because we have almost a 76% retention rate and over an 80% success rate amongst our members. Success rate means they're making money or becoming better traders. That's why I'm confident enough to offer you a money back guarantee, because our members are doing well. And if our members weren't doing well, I wouldn't be able to offer you a money back guarantee. If you don't believe me, watch this. My TTG family members, if you are a member of True Trading Group, I want you to sound off right now. If you are making money and becoming a better trader, sound off in chat right now. If you're a member of the TTG fam and you're making money becoming a better trader. Anyone that's not a member of True Trading Group, don't look at me. Look right here on the side of your screen. Pay attention to the comments that are about to come through in chat. These are TTG members that are commenting, telling you their experiences, how they've been doing as a member of True Trading Group. Getting better, me, AO, yes, boom, hell yeah, I'm becoming a better trader. Hell yeah, every day we trade, we learn, we earn. Yes, member for life. Yes, I am. Big money. Yes, a bunch of exclamation points. I made money today from AHPI. Nice, lot, UFO, great job. Making money and have become a better trader every day since I joined. Only 2 days, I'm already a better trader. Samuel is already becoming a better. Look at this, guys. Learning and earning. Guys, you're seeing it right here. Okay. You're seeing it right here. You're seeing these members that are typing away right now. And I just saw somebody just comment about having a full-time job, feeling like you're not going to be able to do this. Wrong. Don't think that, because the majority of our members work full-time jobs. And if you don't believe me, great. Don't even take my word for it. I'm just going to start asking my TTG members all of your questions. My TTG members, if you were working a full-time job and killing it with True Trading Group, type the letter I in chat right now and tell me what's your profession. Now, anyone that thinks they can't do this or they can't get value from it because they work a full-time job, read the comments. These are going to be TTG members that work full-time jobs and are killing it right now, and they're going to tell you what they do for a living. Geologist, physical therapist. Cyopolis says, seriously, guys, I was skeptical. Then I got the $3 trial. You won't be skeptical anymore. We got a manager, a grill cook working 40 hours a week, a janitor. Donna works 2 full-time jobs. RC's as in advertising sales. Popcorn's a business analyst, a food scientist. Forget John. She Bowers goes, I have a full-time job. My kids. Damn right, that's a full-time job. making money in the chats, like being a trader in school every day, automotive sales, real estate, a pastor, a dog groomer and caretaker, aviation analyst, construction, a teacher, delivery person, a loan officer. You guys see all of these members that are typing in chat right now? These are members that work full-time jobs and they're still able to make money in True Trading Group. And why? Because we teach a variety of different trading styles and strategies that fits people's lifestyles, that fits people's personalities. It's not just me. We have 7 other moderators that are calling out trades in our TTG chat. Mike, what if I will only have 1K in the account if I buy the membership? Michael, perfect. If you only have 1K in your account after buying your membership, Michael Snyder, you're already way ahead of the game. You want to know why you're way ahead of the game? Because a lot of our members have started with less than $1,000 in their account. And Michael, I want you to pay again, guys, don't even take this stuff from me anymore. All your questions, I'm going to ask my members to answer the question for you because it means more coming from my members, right? There's no difference between them and you. They're you. They're you. So my TGG family members, if you started with True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in your account, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Tell me what you started with and tell me where you are now. Again, where did you start with? Where are you now? Michael Snyder, pay attention to the comments that are about to come through chat. Matt CG started with just $500. You're already ahead, right? Chris Bottas started with $500. Now up to 1,000. Great job, Chris. Really great job, brother. Edgar S. made back his membership in just 1 week with $500. $500 for Bruce Sears. Diane Fig started with 100. RC Slater, 500. Prince Gregor says, folks, please don't let this golden opportunity pass you by. Trader platforms don't get any better than this. I assure you of that. Jay Schmai, I turned my wife's $800 account into $12,000 in just 3 months. Wizard started with $5,000 and TGD has helped double it and more. Nicholas says, join today. You won't regret it. Michael E says, Michael Snyder, think long-term, my friend. Leslie Gooch made $600 today. Julie started with $200. Kim joined a week ago and already made back the membership fee. Okay. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars in your trading account in order to make money doing this. Nick G started with $2,000 up to $35,000. Great job, Nick. Michael, welcome to THD family. That's 14 laptops left. That is 14 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121. Bring that price all the way down to $1,302. Get that 41% discount. Get yourself a free laptop. Attend WeedaPALOOZA on Saturday and give yourself a chance to win 30 grand or a Tesla this Sunday. Sakama made twice her membership fee back in just 3 weeks. Anna K says, guys, I've been taking the courses. It's really worth it. Exclamation, 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 exclamation. Guys, listen to my members. It's better to get answers from them than it is from me. All right. Guys, we're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I welcome, invite, and encourage you all to go read those reviews. Okay. About 1,320 people have taken the time to leave us a review on Trustpilot. We are 5-star rated. I welcome, encourage, and invite you to go read them. There's no better referral than that of your peers, folks. There's all these people that are commenting in chat right now, all these people that are leaving reviews on Trustpilot. There's no difference between them and you. They found True Trading Group literally the same way you did, and that's one of these live streams. If you're here on this live stream because you're interested in trading, YouTube recommended it to you, whatever, maybe a friend or coworker or a family member recommended you to watch TTG's live streams because you can learn something. If you think you learned something today on this live stream with the buy signal on AHPI, you think you learned something about me breaking down AMC for you, can you just imagine what it's like to be part of the TTG family and be in chat with us all day, every day, and go through all of the courses, attend private workshops and study groups, and get access to all of this information? What I give you guys on these live streams is a fraction. It's the tip of the iceberg of the full experience, what it's like to be part of the TTG family. And if all of these members that are commenting in chat that work full-time jobs, that have small trading accounts, if they can do it, why the hell can't you? There's no difference between them and you. Get yourself an education, give yourself a chance to become successful at this. Trading is not easy. You've got to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort to learn the skill. It's a new skill. It's just like any other skill in life. If you want to learn or excel at any skill, regardless of what it is, it's going to take you time to excel at it. You're not just going to pick up any skill and just start crushing it and become a professional overnight. You've got to work at it. But if you're willing to work at it, I'm willing to back you up. If you're willing to go through all my courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one private study group, do that. Put in a little work. Because if you do, I'll guarantee your membership cost. That's how confident I am in this program. That's how much I believe that this can work for you. That if you're willing to do that, if you don't make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'll give you your money back. I'll give you a full refund. That's how much I stand behind this platform and this community that we have created in True Trading Group. It's up to you now. I can offer you a free laptop, a chance to win 30 grand, attend WeedaPALOOZA, a 41%. I can offer you all this stuff. But at the end of the day, it comes down to you. Are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to give in the time and invest in yourself to potentially learn a new skill that can better the life of you and your family for years to come? That's up to you. It starts with you. You have to be willing to do it. But I'm willing to give you guys the education, the community, the tools, the resources that are needed to accomplish your goals. The ball's in your court. Use coupon code TTG121. Get yourself a 41% discount before the price goes up at midnight. Get yourself the brand new free laptop. You'll know you're getting one of the laptops because you'll see the laptop in your checkout. If you don't see a laptop in your checkout, that means no laptop for you. We sold out. Enter coupon code TTG121. You actually have to click apply code to get the discount. If you don't enter the code, it's going to say $1,990. Enter the code. It'll bring it down to 1,302. All right. Attend WeedaPALOOZA on Saturday. Get yourselves the 41% discount, the money back guarantee, and give yourself a chance to win 30 grand or a Tesla on Sunday. And then last but not least, guys, we do have, again, that 1 week trial. You guys can go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time payment of $3. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. It's just to make sure you're a real person. It'll be the best $3 you ever spent in your life. Believe me, guys, you spent $3 on way dumber stuff. My coffee from Starbucks costs more than $3. It'll be the best $3 you ever spent in your life. Again, for the trial, that's a 1 week trial. It's ttgthree.com. Otherwise, use that coupon code TTG121 right here, right now. Get yourself the 41% discount. Get yourself a brand new laptop. Attend WeedaPALOOZA and give yourself a chance to win 30 grand or a Tesla this Sunday. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. You're the best. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Turn on those notifications if you haven't done so already. And Donnie, welcome to the TTG family. Donnie coming in at the close. Donnie, welcome to the TTG family, folks. 13 laptops left. Enter that coupon code now. They're not going to last till midnight. I'll let you on a secret. Never do. Head on over there now, guys. Use that coupon code. Get that laptop. I'll see you all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.